Take 240 grams of butter. Add 2 cups of granulated sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Beat well for a minute. Add 4 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add 1 cup of milk. Mix well with beater. Add 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Add 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. Beat well for 2 minutes. Line a pan with baking paper. Pour the entire batter into the baking pan. Bake at 180 degrees for 40 minutes, or until toothpick comes out clean. There you go, your delicious vanilla cake is ready. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this.